So guys, let us begin with our session. A very warm welcome to all the kids and the parents sitting over here. So kids, I am equally excited. I know you all are excited and I am excited too as well because today is the first session of the academic year 22-23 and we are starting with our Olympiad Success live classes. So the live classes will be beginning from 14th of March. Okay, but today it is a demo session which will help you in understanding like how this entire course will be conducted. You'll get to know your mentor and you'll get to know about Olympiad Success, right? So kids, the flow of this program would be like, first of all, there would be an introduction by Nitin sir. Nitin sir is the director of the company Olympiad Success. Then a brief introduction by your mentor, Niti madam. Niti ma'am would be giving her an introduction. And finally, like after that, I will be taking you through a short presentation about this course, which is Mathematics Olympiad for grade 4. Okay, so here to the presentation very carefully because after the presentation, there would be a question and answer round. So everybody enjoys question and answer round? Yes, okay, nice. So I have a really interactive batch today. Okay, great. So you have to hear to the presentation very carefully. Then we'll be having a question and answer round. And after that, we will be having a short demo round by Niti madam. Okay. So you have to stay with us till 6:15 because it is a 75 minutes duration session. Okay, kids? Done? Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So over to you, Nitin sir.
Yeah, thanks, Aarti, and hello to Niti ma'am. And hello to my students. And some of you have already taken classes from Olympiad Success, and there are some, I'm sure, that you'll take classes. So welcome to all of you. I think this is the first demo that we are conducting for 22-23 session. So I think this is so there's some amount of excitement that is definitely there because we're just starting off or kicking off the year with this particular demo. For this, we have a wonderful mentor, Niti ma'am, who has been taking classes for young kids and preparing students for various Olympiad exams. So very excited to have her as well. I think one of the questions that you may have is why do we need to have or specialized preparation for Olympiad exams? So I think as you would understand, Olympiad exams will have questions where they test your conceptual understanding. The questions are relatively tough. There are questions which may come from even grade 5 and grade 6. And I think that is what I think we need to be focused on through these classes. I think, as I said earlier, we have a wonderful mentor for this, Niti ma'am. So she's going to be taking your classes. So I would request her to provide a brief introduction.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Hello, kids. Hello. Can you please wave your hands? Quickly.
Yeah.
I want to see the energy.
And those who have not switched on the videos, if they can switch on the videos as well.
Yes, please switch on the video. I would love to see your faces. I don't like the black windows, please. I hate it. Yes, I love the lovely, beautiful, smiling faces. Hello. Hello, children. So my name is Miss Niti. You can call me Niti ma'am, Miss Niti. Okay, fine. You can show me your 2 thumbs ups if I'm audible and clear to you. Very good. So it will be a two-way communication. I'll be asking you to show some gestures and you will be replying to me. All right. Maybe in the chat or maybe by your visuals. Okay, by symbols. Fine. Navya is looking excited. Navya is listening to me very carefully. Yes, Navya, I got it. Okay, children. So I'll be your mentor. I will be your guardian. I will be your teacher for this entire year. All right. So as Sir Nitin sir has told me, I have been into teaching from last 11 years. I have been teaching just kids like you. Okay, I'm a school teacher. I'm specialized in mathematics. And I've been working with many different publication houses also, right? I'm preparing some stories also for you kids, right? So I know you love story sessions, right? But I have made my vision of creating stories into YouTubes, right? So I'm doing that work also. So now, Avinash, why you are so sad? You don't like me? You're looking sad, Avinash. I want to see smile. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, children. So anybody can tell me why Olympiad is important or anything you can write down in the chat box, a small one word for Olympiad. Any one word. You can put any one word or adjective or anything which you think that, yes, Olympiad, I'm looking forward for this. Hello, ma'am, you are too good. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I just want to know one word for Olympiad. Important. Very good. Very nice. It will be the future. Olympiad is best. Very good. Okay, tough. Oh my God. But I'll convert this into easy. Helpful for success. Yes, very good. Very nice. Good one. Very nice, children. So basically, Olympiad are those exams that are providing you a platform on which you can compete with all the students from all the different states. They are putting you at one platform, equal platform. And we will help you to deepen your knowledge about the subject. Okay. We'll help you to achieve all the smaller, minute things in your subject. Okay. So that you can go deep inside the subject. Very good. Skill test. Wonderful. Very good. Very good. So yes. Okay. Fine. Good. I have got many words now. All right. Okay. Can you please switch off your cameras, those who have not switched on? Anika, Ravi, Darshana, Sakti, Manoj Kumar. I would love to see your faces, children. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for replying and listening to me. Thank you. That means you're respecting me, ma'am. You are looking good. Okay, goodly. Okay, what is this goodly? This is a new adjective I've got today. Okay, fine. So today we will be doing, I'll be quickly briefing you some things. You must have heard about time. Yes, time. You must have learned about time in your class 3. Very good. Navya wants to say something, but Navya, I'm so sorry. You have to write. Okay, so today we will be talking about time, but in time, you know that we have 2 tools, calendar and calendar and watch. So today I'll be talking about watch. Today I'll be explaining you about watch. Okay, so let me share the screen. Just give me a while.
Just a moment, Niti ma'am. Niti ma'am,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
be first taking up with the presentation, and after
All
the
right,
presentation, we can start with
Okay.
the.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
yeah, thank you, Niti ma'am. So kids, I'm already seeing in the chat section that you really like your mentor. So I'm happy to know that, and I'm sure that you would be liking her complete sessions, which she would be taking for grade 4 mathematics. Right. So kids, now I am sharing my screen so that I can share with you the details about this course. Okay. So all of you can see my screen. All right. So I need to disable the annotations also. Okay, kids. So once again, a very warm welcome to all the kids. So today we are having a demo and interaction program for grade 4 mathematics, and this is our batch first, right? So let me start by beginning with Olympiad Success. So who we are actually. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations, and Olympiad Success Live. So we are India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. So we have few students sitting in this group today who have already taken classes with us last year, and I'm sure they would have liked it. That's why they are here right now, correct? And then we have one more program by the name of School Plus. So basically School Plus, it's a year-long program which includes all the courses which are important for students' growth. So these subjects include math, science, English, logical reasoning. And then we have, so basically these 4 subjects are for your Olympiads preparation. And then we have 4 other subjects as well, which are communication, which has both spoken and written, Vedic mathematics, and coding. So these are other 4 really skill building subjects which we offer in School Plus. Okay. Now let us talk about what else we are providing this year. Yes, we have come up with something new also. So we are starting online CBSE classes for grades 6 to 12. Okay, we are conducting 1-to-1 preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad. So I believe you would be knowing that, knowing about these International Mathematics Olympiads, which are SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, MathCount, US-based mathematics competition, Kangaroo, and PRMO. Okay, and along with that, we are starting with the JEE mains preparation classes as well. Okay, kids. So these are our rank holders of the academic year 2021. We are compiling the list of 21-22, and soon, like in our coming demos, we would be updating the list. But then in the academic year 2021, we had 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus in top 5, and 120 plus in top 10. So kids, I absolutely understand that you would have put in a lot of effort. So it's your effort, your parents' effort, your mentors' effort, and yes, Olympiad Success platform, which helps in the overall growth of the student. So these are few names of our academic international rank holders. Now let us discuss about the session in detail. So these sessions would be conducted in group, and the strength would be around 20 students in each batch. Your classes will be delivered through Zoom as we are doing right now. Okay, so there will be 2 sessions per week, and the sessions will be conducted on Monday and Wednesday. The timing will be from 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. So in a similar manner like we are doing right now. So these are basically 75 minutes classes with a 5-minute break in between. Your sessions would be including a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You would be getting reading material and practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. So as soon as you make the payment for these live classes on your dashboard, you can access the practice material and reading material. Okay. Along with that, you are eligible for a free mathematics and logical reasoning test series, which Olympiad Success provides. So we have lots of material for you to practice. Okay. So coming up to the next, like the various links. So I had already shared few links in the chat section. I'll be doing that again. Okay, so the syllabus is available at this link. You need to go to this link to check the entire syllabus. Coming up to the fees, so the fees for this course is 8,500 rupees INR. The total number of sessions in this course are 40. And if interested, you can go to our website, olympiadsuccess.com/live/buy to make the purchase. So I would be reiterating what all is included in this course. You would be getting online classes. You would be getting reading notes and exercises. You would be like getting lots of practice as mentioned earlier, and then finally you would be getting access to Olympiad Success platform to practice mathematics and logical reasoning. Okay, so logical reasoning is also another very important subject for all the kids. So there is one important thing which I would like to mention here is about the CREST Mathematics Olympiad exam. So basically, if you enroll today for this course, you would be getting a free CMO registration. Okay, so if you have if after this session, if you would like to enroll today itself, please do, and do let us know. We would be giving you free CMO examination. So CREST Olympiads has offered us this thing, so we would be giving you a free CMO exam. Okay. So coming up to the prerequisites, so you should attend these classes using a laptop or a desktop with good internet connectivity and use headphones. Okay, and I could see in the chat section like a student had mentioned that Olympiad examinations are tough, right? So what our motto is like to make the preparation easy for you, but then you have to also support us. So you have to spend few hours every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support may be needed to check the answers, reiterate the concepts. So that's it, kids. Thank you so much. Your live classes will be beginning from 14th of March. Okay, so today it's 28th of February. So after 14 days exactly, your classes will be beginning. So I hope to see you all there. Thank you so much. And finally, one more thing, like last year, we had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad participating. And we have students registered from 35 plus countries on Olympiad Success. So thank you once again, kids. And I welcome you once again on Olympiad Success platform. So now if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the chat section, and we will be happy to answer all your queries. So Ravi is asking, I have a question. Yes, Ravi, you can write down your question in the chat section, and we will be happy to answer all your queries. So kids, this is a question answer round. If you don't ask us any question, we will be asking you. Harnid is raising his hand. Harnid, you can write it down in the chat section, please. Your question in the chat section. Metriani is asking, how many in one batch?
Okay, I think there would be around 20 students, 15 to 20 students is what we have seen in the last year batches. So around 15 to 20 students will be there in one batch. And the duration of the class will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. So every class will be 1 hour 15 minutes. And overall, there would be 40 sessions.
Absolutely. And sir, someone is asking, a parent is asking, like, can we change the timing from 6 to 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. because 5 p.m. is playing time for the kids.
Yeah, we understand that. And unfortunately, this is a group class. So it will be difficult to incorporate individual choices. But what we can do is you can always give the feedback to us so that when we start next batches, hopefully we would be able to take your queries. But yeah, for this batch, I think the timings are fixed.
Absolutely. And there are two queries, like, what is Crest Olympiad?
Okay, so Crest Olympiads is actually India's largest online Olympiad exams. Okay, they are currently conducted in almost 25 plus countries. And I mean, there are at least 20% non-Indians who are taking this exam, right? So there are students from Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, uh, Hong Kong who are actually taking this exam. So as I said, there are students from 25 plus countries who are taking these exams, and I would say that the difficulty level of these exams is fairly high.
Yeah. And one more question related to Crest Olympiads is, like, do we get results and certificates in Crest Olympiads?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. And there is one question from Navya. Where is the link? So Navya, I've shared all the links once again in the chat section. You can visit these links. I believe you are talking about these links, or if you're
I think
talking
they
about
might
Crest
want to,
Olympiads.
yeah, I think we should also provide the link of Crest Olympiads, because then
Sure.
what they can do is they can actually register their name. And
Sure.
in case they are making the payment today itself, we would actually give them access from the backend.
Right. So kids, I am sharing the link to Crest Olympiads also. Okay. And there was one question earlier. When
So
is the
you
next
can,
batch?
when is the next batch? So next batch is going to be decided in another few weeks. Right now we are preparing for the immediate next batch. But yes, I think we would be announcing the second batch probably another 2 to 3 weeks time.
Correct. So kids,
Okay.
other
Any
questions?
other questions? Yeah, any other question? How do you view the participation certificate? So Kamala Rani, I believe that you have been taking Crest Olympiads. Is that right? Or because then you're asking very specific question to Crest Olympiads. So you would have to log in using the same, you want to participate in Olympiad Success and Crest Olympiads. Okay, so you need to actually, so those people who want to view the certificates, you would have to log in. But right now the participation certificates have not been uploaded because the results were just announced last week. So probably in another week or two, I think the certificates are going to be uploaded into the system. Okay, you had participated in 2021. Yeah, so 2021 results have been declared. Obviously, this is the early part of 2022. So the results have been declared only last year, last week actually.
Yeah.
So we would be uploading the certificates probably another 2 to 3 weeks time.
Yeah.
In dashboard,
okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll not take questions related to Crest Olympiad. I think
Absolutely.
let's focus on Olympiad Success.
So kids, when is this batch starting? When are the live classes for grade 4 mathematics starting? Today it's the demo session. 14th March. Great. And what are the days and timing? So I'm testing like how many of you heard to my presentation really. Okay. So,
but
right.
I think she also asked Monday, Wednesday. Okay, Urvija, I think thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, and how many sessions would be there as part of this course? 40. Okay, Navneesh. I think we have a pretty good, very attentive audience that we have today. So I'm sure Niti ma'am is going to have fun.
So Shambhavi, you are raising your hand. Can you write down your query in the chat section, please? Okay, great. Ma'am can't unmute. So kids, you won't be able to unmute in demo session today because we have a large audience today, okay? But then in your regular classes, you would be unmuted.
And
Okay,
it
kids,
is
so
KV Dimant. Okay, it's not Kamla Rani. So Kamla Rani is probably her mother's name or something
maybe,
like
yeah.
that.
Ma'am, can we
Then the
join the
next session.
next section or now?
Yeah, you can join next session also, depending upon your convenience and what time works for you. So Ravinuk is asking if there are pre-recorded videos. So we don't provide any pre-recorded videos, but then we do provide post-session recorded videos, right? So once the sessions are over, in case you miss the classes, then we would be able to provide the recording of the class. But obviously that doesn't mean that you can miss the classes. You are supposed to attend the classes. So the recordings are supposed to be used only for revision. So can we unmute tomorrow? So no, so only when the class is going to start, which is on 14th of March, I think is when you would be able to unmute yourself and also interact with the ma'am. Can we start question session? Okay, we can get started now. So I believe, Aarti, if we don't have any further questions, so we can probably start the demo. So should we start the demo by ma'am, Niti ma'am? Okay, Arnett is, okay, Avinash. Good, thanks. So Niti ma'am, I think over to you. If you can just start the session. Meera, parent,
All
thank you
right.
very
All
much.
right,
Okay,
sir.
thanks a lot, ma'am. I think we really appreciate parents. And I think as Aarti had told in the beginning, the very reason Olympiad Success has been very successful is because of three reasons. We have a very dedicated, okay, great, ma'am. So, but I think we have a very dedicated set of parents because for doing well in such exams, I think parents have to play a very good role. And second is actually the kind of mentors that we have. And finally, the most important part is the students themselves. So one thing I think that we feel very proud about is the kind of students that we have, very, very passionate and very, very sincere. And I think that is what is needed to excel in some of these exams. So thanks, ma'am. Okay, I think over to Niti, ma'am. Ma'am, if you can get started.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, children. Okay, Sambhavni is showing me 2 thumbs ups. Okay. I love to see that excitement. Okay, children, that's very nice. Okay, first of all, tell me how many of you know about calendar? Calendar, calendar, calendar. Okay, everybody know. Okay, where you can see the calendar? Where? In your house, in write down in the chat box. Quickly, quickly. Where you can see in house. Okay, then anything specific where you can see the calendar? Anything specific? Just a minute. I'm sharing with you. Phone. Yes, I was looking for this answer. Yes, gadgets are the now beautiful house for the calendars. Yes, we don't have any physical calendars no more. We are using phone, gadgets, laptops as a calendar. Newspaper. Yes, newspaper. Every place. No, sorry. Every place you cannot see calendar. I don't think it is a legible answer. Okay. All right, children. So let's start with the calendar topic. So today I'll be telling you about calendar only. We'll be specific. We'll be talking just about calendar. Okay.
So Nitin
So
ma'am, before you begin, I request you to please turn off the annotation.
yes, ma'am.
So Shambhavi has started drawing. Thank you so much, Shambhavi. But then we'll take our drawing classes later on. Yes.
All right. Okay. So children, I'm beginning with the session.
Anati ma'am, I believe it's not disabled yet.
It is, ma'am. Let me check again.
I can annotate because, yeah.
Check now, ma'am.
No. So at the top, like there would be one
I have done it. I have done
disable annotation for participants. So kids, please stop writing. It's a request.
Children, please don't do that. Although I have done it, it's showing me disabled.
Okay.
Anybody else is also having that access?
No, ma'am. Like, I don't know. It would have not been disabled. Maybe like if you can stop the screen share and once again start the screen share and then disable the annotation.
I'll do that. Now check, mom.
It's still there. Okay, kids. I would request everyone to stop the annotation.
But it is the showing disactivated, deactivated. Okay, children, I'll engross you and you're not supposed to write anything, children. Now, please listen to me very carefully. Please, if you want to listen, you will not write anything. Okay, show me your hands. Quickly show me your hands. Like this. Okay, so we are not going to write anything. You have to listen to the teachers. Okay, we are requesting something, so you have to follow it. Okay, you are all our good kids. Navya is so loyal and she's listening to me so carefully. Very good. Thank you, Navya. Okay, children. So now, let us begin our class. So today we'll be talking about calendar. Okay, so you must have heard about these words like time, seconds, minutes, hours, and days. Yes. So the time, the seconds, and the minutes and the hours you have these are the words which are related to your watch, right? These are related to your watch. Now today we'll be talking about those terms that come in the calendar, like days, months, years, and weeks. Yes, yes, Navya. Yes, Navya is responding to me very good, nicely. Okay, fine. So basically, calendar is a tool. You can say that it is a system or a tool which is used to mark the passage of time. What do you mean by passage of time? Passage, anybody can tell me the path, right? From where you are going. So for example, if I'm starting today, oh, Navya doesn't know the passage. Passage means the path. Navya, path. Path means rasta. Okay, the journey. If your journey is beginning at a particular time and it is ending at a particular time, so the duration of that time you can mark in calendar, right? Right, you can mark in calendar. For example, your exam states, your dates of exams are starting from, for example, let's say 25th of February, and they are ending on 12th of March. So that is the passage of time, that is the duration of time your examination was done. So that we can mark in calendar. Is that clear? This definition is clear. Thank you so much. Now let us move to the next slide. Now I can see that many of you are looking, ma'am, ye kya dikha diya? Yes. Okay, children. So now you can see that this is the days of the calendar that you can see, right? These are the days of a week. How many days are there in a week? Who will tell me how many days are there in a week? Please write down in the chat box. Yes. Or you can show me your fingers also. 7. My God. This class is wonderful. Very nice. Okay. So we will quickly name all the weeks. Monday, Tuesday. You can repeat after me. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday with a huge laughter because it's a holiday. It's a weekend, right? I know Saturday, Sunday, everybody loves, right? So Monday to Friday are your weekdays. My voice is cracking. Is my voice cracking?
No, it is fine, ma'am. It is fine.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Children, those who are facing some net problems, please see to your net. Otherwise, my voice is okay. Fine. So we have 5 working days that are called weekdays. And then we have Saturdays and Sundays. Yes, these are also working days, but we call these days, we have grouped these days as weekends. So you always talk with your friend, what is the plan for this weekend? Where we are going this weekend, right? You ask your parents, right? So weekend means Saturday and Sunday. All right, but 2 days are weekend. Love these days. Very good, children. I know everybody love these days. Okay, so basically now let's come to the day. Now, what is the definition of day? Day ko kya bolte hai? What is day? Who will tell me? Anybody can write it in the chat box, or I'll quickly explain you in your common language. Anyone? I'm counting till 5. Let's check your speed. 1, 2, 3. Day means 24 hours. Very good. A very precise statement for a day. Very nice. Lovely. So basically, yes, very good. A day is the time that Earth takes around, right? The Earth makes a complete rotation on its axis. Okay? On its axis. And one standard day, one standard unit of time is 24 hours. You people are very smart. You have given a precise statement. Yes, one day has 24 hours. Okay. And similarly, you can see how many 1 week. And what we do, we club these days, we group these days, okay, and we make a group of 7 days. So when we club and when we make a bundle of 7 days, we name it as 1 week. What we name it as? 1 week. Very good. I can see the lip movement and week में आपके teeth भी मुझे देख रहे हैं. Have you brushed your teeth or not? Very good. 1 week. Very nice. Okay. And what will be the first day of the week? What will be the first day of the week? Harnit, can you write it in the chat box? What will be the first day of the week? Monday. My God. Wonderful. So Monday is the first day, and the last day will be, what will be the last day of the week? Sunday. Very good, Sambhavni. Very nice. Very good. So this cycle continues. Okay. After every Sunday, Monday comes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The cycle continues. Okay. That's why we call it a cycle. It's a loop. Okay. It's a loop. Now let us move to the next slide. Okay. So now when we club all these days together, all these weeks together, we make month, right? We get our month. So now quickly see this. You can see that I have already explained you that 1 week has 7 days, right? You can show me your thumbs up. I also need some expressions from your side so that I can understand that I'm going on the right path. Okay, very good, children. So now 2 weeks means what? 2 weeks means how many days? 14. That means either you can multiply 7 by 2 or you can write 7 plus 7. Very good. Either you can add 7 2 times or instead of adding, because this is repeated addition, so you can multiply 2 by 7. Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Okay, 3 weeks. Similarly, 3 weeks have 21 days and 4 weeks can have 28 days. Okay, very good. So now in a year, how many months are there? I know this is a very simple question. Neeti ma'am, what you are asking this, we have studied in class 3 also. Yes, so I'm just testing your knowledge for class 3. Very good. 12 months. 12 months. And in 1 month, how many weeks are there? How many weeks? You can have either 4 weeks or 5 weeks. Okay. It's not important that every month will have 4 weeks, and it is not important that every month will have 5 weeks. It can be 4, it can be 5. 4, 5, 4, 5. It can be anything. Okay. So you can see that these are the months. Please, children, don't scribble it. I request you, don't do that. Don't do that. Show me your fingers. Don't do that, please. Don't do that, please. Okay. So we have January, February, March. You can repeat it. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, what you can do, you can quickly write down your birthdays in the chat box on which month. Don't write the dates, just write the months. Just write the months quickly so that you can check, okay, November, May, December, January, March, February, January again, December, February, May. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please don't write it on the PPT. Please, please, children, don't write anything on the screen. March, August. Oh my God. Everybody's, oh, March. Abhi bhi aapka birthday aane wala hai. Okay, fine. Very good, children. Very good. So that means you know the months. Please, children, do not write anything. It's a request. Don't write anything. You're not supposed to write it. Okay. So if you are loving the session, there is no need to write anything, right? Okay. So now let us move to the next slide. Uh-oh. Just wait, beta. Okay. So now these are the different months of the year. You can see that first month is January, then February. And you can see that this is the table in which you can see the short forms also in the last column. And you can see the number of days allotted to each month, right? You must have heard this fist method also. You must have seen this fist method. Have you seen? You know this? You know this? Yes, very good. Oh, Urvija is raising hand. Navya is showing the hand. Okay, very good. I know many of you are showing me the hand. Right. So this is the technique you can use your fist method. So where is the January? Where is the January here? On the first knuckle. On the first knuckle is January. Then in between February, then March, then April, then May, then June, then July in the corner, and then August again in the beginning, then September, October, November, and December. Now these knuckles, these high points, the mountains, they have 31 days. So whatever month is coming on this high point on the mountain, we count that as 31 days, and that are coming in the valleys that are counted as 30 days. Okay, 30 days. You can see that 31 and 30, but there is one exception. Who will tell me one exception? Children, please don't write. Please do not write it. Thank you so much. Please don't write. Now show me one exception here. Quickly, quickly. What is the exception? Which month? Very good, very good, very nice. Everybody's writing on the chat box. Lovely, lovely. Yes, February. Wow, Navya, that's a wonderful technique. You can write 31 and 30 with pen. Very nice. Good. Okay, so yes, February is the month which has either 28 days or 29 days. Now these 28 days and 29 days depend upon the year. Okay, you must have studied in class 3 about leap year. So in the next slide, we will be talking about the leap year also. So basically, February is the only exceptional month that has either 28 days or 29 days. Now you can see the last line. To find the number of the days in the year, what you can do? How many months are with 31 days? Quickly tell me how many months, count it. How many months are with 31 days? 31 days, 7, very good. And how many months are with 30 days? 30 days, how many months? No, 6. Yes, 4. 4 is the correct answer. Very nice. So 7 will be multiplied with 31. Then 4 will be multiplied with 30. And 1 will be multiplied with 28. And you will get your answer. Okay. That will be 365 days. So now I can read that many of you were talking about leap year. So now we will be talking about leap year also. Don't worry. But first we will discuss how many days are in a year. Okay. So basically there are 365 days in 1 year, right? 365 days. Yes, 360 days are also there, but that are in the leap year. Okay. Leap means a jump, a big jump. So basically Earth is also jumping for 4 years after. Yes, very good, children. Leap year comes after every 4 years. Okay. Now who will tell me what is the last leap year? What is the last leap year? Today we are in 2022. So what is the last leap year? Just recently. 2020. Yes, nobody will forget this year. 2020. Yes, 2020 was the last leap year. Okay, now what will be the next leap year? Who will tell me what will be the next leap year? Next leap year, quickly. No, it's not 2023. Yes, it's 2024. Perfect, 2024. Okay, आप कौन सी class में होंगे 2024 में? In which class you will be in 2024? Any guesses? Any guesses? 6 में भी होगा कोई. Okay. Okay. 8th class. Oh my God. 2022, you are in 4th class. Now in April, you will be moving to 4th class, right? And then in 5th class, you will, yes. Fine, good. You will be teenagers. Oh my God. Okay, children. So basically, every 4th year is a leap year. No, in that leap year, we add 1 extra day to the February month. Okay, because otherwise all the months have already 30 and 31 days. So we add 1 day to the February month. Okay, so these are the some leap years mentioned here. You can see that 2000, then 2004, then 2008, 2012, 2016. These are some years which are leap years, right? So now basically, now how to find a leap year? Leap year means, if for example, I have written that this 2020 was a leap year. So how will you check? Anybody know how will we check whether a year is a leap year or not? Harnit is raising hand. Then who else is raising hand? Yes, 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 you can write. Very good, children. Smart answer. So quickly find it out. When you are dividing 2020 by 4, are you getting any remainder or the remainder is 0? Quickly, quickly, quickly. You can check it. You can check it. 2020, quickly. Yes, it is divisible by 4. We are not getting any remainder. So, children, now listen to me very carefully. When you are dividing an year by 4, when you are dividing a year by 4, you will see whether you are getting a remainder or not. If you are getting a remainder, that means that year is not a leap year. Correct? Can I have thumbs ups? And if you are getting remainder as 0, if that means it is completely divisible and your year is a leap year. Okay? Your year is a leap year. Remember this. Okay, now see the last line. 365 days we have in 1 year. Now we are dividing it by 7 days. So how many weeks we are getting? See, 52 weeks and 1 extra day. 52 weeks and 1 extra day. So we can say that in 1 year, 53. No, we will not say 53. We will say 52 weeks and 1 extra day. Okay. So that means a year, if we consider year in the terms of weeks, we will say that there are 52 weeks and 1 day. Very good, children. Now, these are certain points which you need to remember. Okay. Now you will quickly say after what I'm saying. 7 days is equal to 1 week. Quickly repeat it. Very good. 1 year is equal to 365 days. My God, I can see your lip. Very good, very good. Okay, about 52 weeks are in 1 year. Now, why we have used about word? Because there is 1 extra day also, right? So that's why we are using 52 weeks, okay? Now, next is 1 leap year has how many days? Quickly, quickly. I want to see your lip moving, or you can write it in the chat box. Yes, 366. Oh God, you people are great. You are using your hands, you are using your expressions. Very good. Okay, then 1 year. I have already told you 1 year. How many months? How many months? Quickly, quickly. 12 months. Lovely. Very good. Okay, then about 4 weeks. About 4 weeks. Why I have used again 4 weeks? About. Anybody can answer me why about 4 weeks? I've told you initially that in a month, it can be 4 weeks or 5 weeks. Or it can be 4 weeks, 2 days extra, 4 weeks, 3 days extra, right? So that's why we have used the word about. Okay, then, oh God, this is something new. I don't know whether you know it or not. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. Is it right? Everybody knows this? Or this is a new thing for you? How many of you know this? How many of you know this, that we use a decade term for 10 years? Lovely, lovely. Okay. Okay, Anika is saying no, she doesn't know. Okay, no problem. Now we have given you. Now this is a short term that we use for 10 years. If you have completed your 10 years, that means you have completed a decade. Okay. Similarly, 100 years is known as century. Okay, very good if you know already. That means you are revising the concepts. Very nice. Okay, so 100 years means century. Okay, ऐसा मुझे बता सकते हो कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स होता है जिसमें सेंचुरी होती है प्लेयर्स की? Any sports, anything which you can relate with century word? Cricket. I know. I was looking for this answer only. Okay, now 1,000 years is equal to 1 millennium. Oh my God, that's a huge figure. 1,000 years. Harnit, why you are dancing? You know that. That's why you are dancing. Okay, Harnit, that was a good expression from your side. So 1 millennium, right? Very good. Okay, so now it's very important. You should tell your friends also. This is a new thing for you, I think. We call the years. Ma'am, what is 1 century equals to 100 years? Sambhavni, 1 century means 100 years, 100 years. Okay, now from 1900 to 1999, we call this century as 20th century. Okay, we call this century as 20th century. So I am born in 20th century and you are born in 21st century. Yes, because you people have taken birth after 2000, right? You must, can you write your years quickly? Can you write your birth years? It's 2006, 2012. Okay, very good. 2013. My God. So now you can see that all of you are in 21st century. Why we have used a century word? Because you can see that this is a what? This is a 100-year column you have taken. 1900 to 1999 and from 2000 to 2099. These are 100 years. That's why we are naming it as century word. Okay. Now these are few questions. Now you can write the answers. I will read the question. You will write A, B, C, D in the option and the chat box. Okay. A leap year comes after every what? What is the correct answer? Quickly, A, B. Please don't book annotations. Please, please, please. Just write it in the chat box. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. Okay. How many months have 31 days? How many months have 31 days? 7, correct. C is the correct answer. Good. Okay, and what is the first day of the week? First day of the week. What is the first day of the week? Is it Sunday? Monday, B part. Perfect. So Monday is the first day. Nobody will say Sunday. You start working from Monday. Okay, remember this. Okay, then this is the question. A week has how many days? 7. One day has how many hours? I'm just checking your attention span that whether you have listened to Neeti ma'am properly or not. 24 hours. Are you correct? मुझे तो लगा 12 hours होते हैं. 24 होते हैं. Are you sure? Yes, 24. Very good. Okay, and a leap year has how many days? 367. Oh my God. I think I'm incorrect. What is the correct answer? 366 days. Very good, class. Now, can you please clap for yourself? Everyone. Quickly. I want to see everyone clapping, dancing. Oh my God. Very nice. Lovely. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much. Okay. So can we have now difficult questions? Are you ready for these questions? Are you ready? How is the Josh? High or low? High. Yup. My Josh is very high today. Okay, very good. So once we'll give the right answer, we will do a virtual high five. What we'll do? Virtual high five. Can I have your virtual high fives? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Now these answers are a little difficult. You need some brainstorming on that. All right. And I'll check your knowledge also. So now nobody will write. Show me your fingers. Nobody will write. Show me your fingers. Look, I'm trusting you. Don't break my trust. You will not write anything. Thank you so much. Okay, now read the question very, very carefully. Now, if 12th April 2007 was Thursday, okay? I'll show you the calendar also. For your hint. So what was the day on 30th April? And this is a hint given to you. This is a calendar, okay? This is a month calendar. Now I'll tell you how to read it and how to reach your answer. You can read it. What is the heading written? This calendar belongs to April month and the year is 2007. This much is clear to everyone. By quickly looking at the heading, you have realized that this calendar belongs to April month 2007 year. Now the question is, if 12th April was 2007 was Thursday. Now can you see Thursday 12th April? See the Thursday line. See the line on Thursday. Please don't write it. Please. Okay, now Thursday, you can see that it's 12th. Now what will be? Very good. I know I'm getting the answers in the chat box. Very good. So I don't need to explain it, or should I explain it? How many of you need explanation, or how many of you know it? You know, explain rest. Thank you so much. Yes, children. So basically, this is the 12th. This is the, you can see that this is the, I'm using now annotations. Please don't use anything, children. Okay, so you can see that this is the 12th month, 12th day, okay, in April, and it is coming under the column of Thursdays. So what we have, how we prepare a calendar, we will write all the days like Sunday, Monday. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Yes, you can ask your doubt. Can I finish explaining and then you can ask your doubt? Is that okay? Okay, thank you. So basically, when we are writing a calendar, first we will write Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, and then Saturday. Likewise, we divide a month into 7 columns, like, and we write 7 days. And then we will start writing the dates. For example, my April is starting from 1st, and the first Sunday is first April is lying on Sunday. So in again, I'll write the days here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'll write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now till where I will write, you know how many days are in the month of April? Who will tell me how many days are in the month of April? Use your fist. And how many days are in the April month? 30. Yes. So you will just write 30 days. You will not write 28. You will not write till 31. You will just write till 30. So now this is the last day of my April. So that is lying on Monday. Okay. So now the question is asking you the same thing. What is the last day of the month? So you have recognized that this is the day, last day of the month, and it is lying in the Monday column. So that's why it has 30 lies on Monday. So now quickly I'm asking you one question. Okay. Now, wait a one, please. Doubt. Okay, Sambhavna, what is your doubt? Yes, ask your doubt. Write it in the chat box. Are you writing? I think she's not writing. Okay. So now my question is that can you tell me how many dates are coming in on Sunday? Sunday, how many dates on Sunday? Count the number of dates. How many dates? Ma'am, how to calculate this question without calendar? Yes, children, without calendar, what you can do, you have to, I can explain you, no problem. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is the answer. 5 Sundays, 5 dates that are lying on Sundays. Yes, children, very good. Okay, Sambhavna has asked me that how to find without the help of a calendar. Now, children, without the help of calendar, what you can do is you have to write the weeks only. You have to write the weeks. Let me write it for you. Please don't write annotations, children. Please don't write. The month, if you will write, how will I explain it? Please don't write anything in the chat box. It's a request. Please don't write. Okay. Now, children, what is this? Now, 12th April, you can see that 12th April, we have written as Thursday, right? So if I didn't give you the calendar, then again, also, you have to write what is the next day, what is the next day, what is the next day. You have to add all the dates, right? So again, from 12th April to start counting 13 April, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, like this, you have to count it, right? Only then you will reach 30th, the day which is coming on 30th, right? So there is no other particular way. You have to divide the columns and you have to write the dates only. That is the answer. Okay. Now this is another question. Now there is a girl with the name Anushka. Anybody has a friend with the name Anushka? Anybody? Anybody know a heroine with the name of Anushka, an actress? I know this answer is going to come very soon, right? Yes. So yes, Anushka's grandmother went to USA for vacations. Okay, what is the full form of USA? What is the full form of USA? Anybody? Quickly. I want to see whether you are listening to me or you're just sitting like this. Yes, United States of America. Lovely. Okay. On 4th June 2010. All right. She has gone to USA on 4th June 2010. And she came back on 26th August 2010. So, right. So how long was her vacation? Is there anyone who can solve it and then I will solve it? Can we have a little discussion on that? Can you please roughly tell me how many months and then we'll calculate the exact number of days? Anyone in the class? 2 months. Okay, roughly 2 months, you can say that. Roughly. Why 2 months? Because June she has spent there, then July, and then August. Is it 2 or 3? Is it 2 or 3? June, July, and August also she was there for the month of August also. So approximately 3 months, right? But let us see now how to find the number of days. Anybody who can give me the answer, most welcome. Anyone who can give me the answer? Okay, now see the explanation. See, now the number of days in June is 27. Why 27? Anybody can tell me? Anyone in the class? These are the days that she spent in USA. Okay, because till 3rd June she was somewhere else. From 4th June she started her journey, right? He started her journey from 4th June. So what you can do, you will start counting the days. So from 4th June, and how many days are in the month of June? Who will tell me? How many days are in the month of June? How many days are in the month of June? 30. So it will be 30 minus 3 because 30 is the entire, what you say, 30 days are in the month of June. And till 3rd June, she has not started her journey. So we have subtracted those days. So 30 minus 3, how many days you will get? 27 days. So for the month of June, she was in the USA for 27 days. Now let us come to July. Now entire month she was in USA for the month of the July. So all the days, all the 31 days she was in USA, right? Now let's come to August. Now August she was back on 26th. So that means till 25th August she was in USA. So we will count all the 25 days of August and we will exclude 26 because she's back on 26, right? Is it correct? So now we will add all these days. 27 days of June, 31 days of July, and 25 days of August. We will add all these 3 days. So how long was her journey? 83 days. Oh my God, it's a huge time, right? 83 days she was on journey and she was staying in USA. So is that fine? So now you can also calculate how many days you have taken your vacations or how many days you have been to your nani house, maybe dadi house, nani house, anywhere, right? Now, any question in this? Any question in this? Anyone? 1183. Yes, 83. Any question, beta? Anything you want to ask? No, madam. Okay, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No question? Okay, you already know this. It is huge in days, but when we convert in months, it's very short. Yes, very correct. Correct. No, 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 no. In PP, what is PP2? I don't know. Any question? No? Harnit, you are raising your hand, but you're not writing anything in the chat box. Okay. In 11 weeks. Time means what? Time chapter. You're asking about time chapter. Okay. So now let's begin. Let's take the next question. How many hours are in a week? How many hours? Anybody? One day has 24 hours. One day has 24 hours. And okay, 168 hours. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm getting a lot of answers. Right, children. Please don't write anything. Don't use those annotations. I'm again and again requesting you, don't use that. Okay, so basically let me explain you. So you know that one day has, now I'm writing here, one day has how many hours? 24 hours, right? And 1 week has how many days? 7 days. So now 7 days will have how many hours? You will multiply this 24 by 7, right? And you will get your number of hours. Fine. So it will be 168 hours, right? Can I have your thumbs ups? Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Please, children, please don't use this. Now, this is the little difficult one. If you have done the fractions, then you will be able to answer this. You have done the fractions in class 3. Have you done the fractions? How many of you have done the fractions? Okay. So how are 22 days written in weeks? 22 days. See, 1 week has how many days? Who will tell me 1 week has how many days? 7 days, right? And 2 week has how many days? 14 days. And 3 week has how many days? 21 days, right? So 21 days, so that means we can write 3. Now, what to do with that 1 extra day? Because we have to take 22 days. So 1 extra day means 1 out of 7 days. So this is my correct answer, okay? So we will write it as 3 weeks, 1 by 7, 3, 1 by 7 week. Is that clear? Because this is the numerator. I suppose you all know this. This is my numerator and this is my denominator. Everybody know about the fractions, right? Denominator means the total amount, the total number of days, and numerator means the 1 extra day that is left. Okay, fine. Can I have some gigglings and can I have some smiles? Of course. Thank you so much. Okay, so if the Independence Day, if the Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday, read the question, please. On which of the following dates will be Sunday? Anybody? 1994. Okay. What is the date for independence? Who will tell me? Independence Day of India. What is the date? What is the date of independence of India? Anybody can write it in the chat box, children. Very good. Nice. 15th of what? 15th of which month? 15th of August, right? 15th of August is the Independence Day. Okay, so now 15th August 1994 was Monday. Now, which of the following dates will be Sunday? Sunday kab hoga? Who will tell me? Anybody? Okay. I think this is a little difficult for you. So let us see the solution to this. Children, don't do that, please. Children, don't write, please.
Niti ma'am, we have to now stop the class in a minute because 6:15 we need to.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can take up this final question.
Right. Ma'am, actually, it will require a lot of explanation, so we can take it later on only.
Okay, great. Then that's fine. All right, kids. So how was the class, kids? Okay, Navya, Avinash, awesome. Can you write it down in the chat section? How was the class? Enjoyed? Okay, excellent. Best class. Thank you so much, kids. So kids, I'm sharing the links once again in the chat section. If you wish to enroll, you can use these links. Requesting you to, copy and paste this somewhere important, like in an important file on your desktop or computer, so that you can access it later. Also, like I would be reminding you that in case if you wish to register or enroll to this course, you can do it today if you would want to. In that case, you are eligible for a free CREST Mathematics Olympiad. Okay. So Shambhavi's parents are saying amazing. Thank you so much. Fine, because I know everything except millennium. Okay, great. All right, kids. So kids, have you copied the links? And there is one feedback link as well. So would want you to, share your feedback as well. Okay, great, kids. No worries. So Amokashri, like we have different mentors. Okay. So for this class, it would be Niti ma'am, right? Will any written notes be given? Written notes, kids? No, there would be no written notes. But yes, whatever is being taught in the class, we would be sharing you the recorded videos, like the video of the link of this session. And apart from that, you would be getting reading material, practice questions and answer keys on your dashboard. So you have to, like log in with the credentials, which we will be giving you. So you need to log into olympiadsuccess.com, and there you have to, you can like check everything, the reading material, practice questions, the worksheets as well of Olympiad Success, which we will be giving you for mathematics and logical reasoning. Will there be any assignments? Yes, Avinash. So that is what I'm talking about. You would be getting practice questions. Okay. So that will be available on your dashboard. And apart from that, after every topic or so, like there would be a test also. So we know that you kids are really studying hard, right? Any project? So I'm not sure, like I understand Anandya is asking any project. So basically it would be more of questions. So you need to like whatever topic which we are studying in the classes. So Sambhavi is asking, ma'am, where will we be getting the assignment? So Sambhavi and all the kids, listen to me carefully. I'm repeating it for the third or fourth time. So you have to log into the Olympiad Success platform once you register for this course, okay? And after login on your dashboard, you can see the reading material, practice questions, which are your assignments and the answer keys, okay? So I hope this is clear now. Navya is our activity. I'm not sure, Navya, I understand your question, beta. Duration of the course. So who will tell me what is the duration of this course? How many sessions? So kids, there will be 40 sessions and right, Amokashri, thank you so much. So there are 40 sessions in this course and 2 sessions every week. So it would be 8 sessions in a month. And then you have to do the calculation. How many months it would be? Yes, 75 minutes classes. So 2 classes per week, 8 classes in a month, 40 sessions total. So how many months? What will be the cost? Yes, Avinash, it is 5 months. The cost of this course is 8,500 rupees. Okay. All right, great kids. So thank you so much. You all have been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much, Niti ma'am. It was really a pleasure to have you on the platform. And yes, Anandya, it is rupees
you, ma'am.
8,500 INR, Indian National Rupees 8500. Okay, kids. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great evening. Play. Have your dinner.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Bye.